Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the Pharmacy Act. Introduction: An act to regulate the professional of the pharmacy. The act was promulgated in the year 1948. The Pharmacy Bill 1947, having been passed by the legislation, received its assent on 4th March 1948. It came on the status book on at the Pharmacy Act 1948, 8 of 1948. Definition: Central Council, State Council, Central Register, Medical Practitioners, the Registered Pharmacist. Next is the history. History of the Pharmacy Act. Great harm to the health of the peoples. Early 12th century, no restrictions to the practice of the pharmacy. There are the absence of recognized curriculum. So these are some reasons to discontinue this system and making the Pharmacy Act. The following statement of object and reasons of the Pharmacy Bill was published in the Gazette of the India 1947, Part 5th, page number 469. It is the desirable that, as in the most other countries, only persons who have attained a minimum standard of the professional education should be permitted to practice the profession of pharmacy. It is prescribed the minimum standard of education and approve the courses of study and examination for pharmacists, and the provisional pharmacy council will be responsible for the maintenance of the provisional registers of the qualified pharmacist. It is the further dispensing of the medicines on the prescription PFA medical practitioners otherwise than by or under the direct, and the personal practitioners otherwise than by or the under the personal supervisions of a registered pharmacist. In today's class, I discuss about the history of Pharmacy Act and their introduction. Thank you.